Hey everyone, today we're comparing 4 awesome productivity tools: Microsoft Lists, Trello, Monday, and Notion. Let's break down each one and see which one's best for your needs. First off, we have Microsoft Lists. It's a flexible app with Microsoft 365 for tracking tasks, issues, or inventories. Think customizable spreadsheets with views like grids or Kanban boards tightly integrated with Teams and SharePoint. Great for structured data. Next, we have Trello. It's a Kanban-style tool with boards, lists, and cards to manage tasks. It's super simple, visual, and perfect for small teams or personal projects. Integrations via Power-Ups add flexibility. Monday.com is a robust work management platform. It offers customizable boards, timelines, and automations, ideal for complex projects across teams like marketing or IT. It's feature-rich but has a steep learning curve. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, wikis, and project management. Its strength is in its flexibility. Create Kanban boards, tables, or docs. It's great for personal use or cross-team collaboration. Now let's compare. For ease of use, Trello wins with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners or small projects. Microsoft Lists is simple but shines in Microsoft 365 ecosystems. Notion has a steeper learning curve due to its versatility, and Monday's complexity suits advanced users. For features, Monday leads with automations, time tracking, and reporting, ideal for large teams. Notion's databases and templates are great for custom workflows, and Microsoft Lists offers relational data views, while Trello keeps it minimal with Kanban focus. Integrations: Microsoft Lists integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365. Trello and Monday connect with tools like Slack and Zapier. Notion has fewer integrations, but syncs with Google Drive and Slack. For pricing, Microsoft Lists is included in Microsoft 365. Paid starts at $9 per month, and Notion's free tier is robust with paid plans starting at $8 per month. For use case, use Microsoft Lists for data-driven tasks in Microsoft ecosystems. Trello is best for simple task tracking. Monday excels in complex multi-team projects, and Notion's your go-to for flexible, all-in-one workspaces. Which is best? For ease of use, Trello wins with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners or small projects. Thanks for watching. Drop your favorite tool in the comments and subscribe for more.